Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By going beyond their conventional role as a chassis provider and possibly providing a comprehensive, fully integrated luxury experience, Ford's presence in the high-end recreational vehicle market is expected to be significantly elevated by the 2026 Ford Ultra Luxury Motorhome. Designed to be the epitome of ultra luxury, this RV would probably have high-end materials, cutting-edge technologies, and painstaking attention to detail for the most discriminating tourists. The 2026 Ford Ultra Luxury Motorhome's external design would probably deviate from traditional RV aesthetics by introducing smooth lines, integrated lighting, and an elegant color scheme. In order to improve stability and fuel efficiency, aerodynamic concepts could be gently included into the design. Large panoramic windows would probably be prominently displayed, providing residents with sweeping views and a plenty of natural light. The entire effect would be one of sophisticated modernity and subtle grace. As soon as one stepped inside, the ultra-luxury classification would become clear. The best materials, like soft leathers, exotic hardwoods, and high-end textiles, would probably be used to create the interior. A large and tastefully furnished living area, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a master suite intended for the utmost in relaxation, and a luxurious bathroom with spa-like amenities are just a few examples of the carefully planned layout that would optimize both comfort and space. A sense of upscale residential living on the road would be created by paying close attention to the cabinetry, lighting, and general quality. The Ford Ultra Luxury Motorhome of 2026 is probably going to have cutting-edge technology, advanced infotainment and connectivity capabilities, smart home integration for climate, lighting, and entertainment control, as well as extensive safety and driver assistance technology, may be examples of this. Systems for climate control and noise reduction would be designed to the greatest standards, guaranteeing a calm and cozy atmosphere regardless of the outside weather. Performance-wise, the RV would probably be constructed on a sturdy and elegant chassis, maybe utilizing Ford's experience in commercial vehicle architecture, even though overt sportiness might not be the main goal. An improved suspension system would put ride comfort first, while a strong and effective engine would guarantee confidence and smooth cruising. People looking for the pinnacle of mobile luxury, those who value fine craftsmanship, and those used to first-rate experiences would probably be the target market for such a vehicle. Without sacrificing comfort, the 2026 Ford Ultra Luxury Motorhome would strive to offer a smooth transition from an opulent home setting to the independence of the open road. For Ford, it would be a daring move that might put them in the running for the top spots in the recreational vehicle market. This motorhome would essentially be built to be a destination in and of itself, providing an unmatched degree of comfort, style, and custom luxury, rather than merely a means of transportation.